What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can minimize YouTube app on your Android mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your YouTube app on your mobile phone. So after opening the YouTube app, there is two way that if you are using a Samsung phone you can do it for free, and if you are not using a Samsung phone you can do it free. I'm going to show you the easy way for it. What you have to do to minimize the YouTube, all you have to do, you have to drag the corner from your mobile screen just like this. Okay, now the screen is minimized on my phone. You can see I can see the reels on here, shorts on here. I can adjust the height and length of this window here. Okay, so this is how you can minimize the YouTube on your Android phone. You can see it on the big screen, and you can minimize it just like this. If you want to show it, I see it again, you can just like see it. And if you want to close it, all you have to do, you have to click on this and you have to click on cross. So this is how you can minimize the YouTube on your mobile phone. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.